I have a variety of anthuriums with me here today, but this one is special. This is the Anthurium Hookeri. It's a species of flower plant in the Araceae family, which is commonly known as the Anthurium family. This epiphytic plant grows on other plants using its aerial roots to anchor itself while absorbing nutrients and moisture from the air. What makes Anthurium hookeri truly remarkable are its unique leaves. These long leaves, with their glossy dark green appearance and distinct central veins, can grow up to an impressive 60 centimeters in length. The new leaves tend to be a bright green color, while the mature leaves become darker in color. They create such a lush and tropical ambience wherever the plant is displayed. This plant thrives in warm and humid environments with bright indirect light. Like with most anthuriums, it's important to provide a well draining soil and ensure regular misting for high humidity levels. I have planted this hookeri in a mix of 80% finely cut coir chips and 20% garden soil. A little perlite is also good to add, which helps in quick water drainage. With the right potting mix, the water drains almost instantly, only retaining just the right amount of water needed for the plant. I have given the links to buy all the supplies needed to grow this plant. Do check them out in the description box. The most important tip to grow this plant is never overwater this plant. It's a common precaution I have been giving for all anthuriums. Rarely have I seen an anthurium die due to underwatering. It's mostly due to overwatering that the roots start to rot. The right potting mix gives the plant the best balance, keeping the soil airy as well as moist. Also be cautious as this plant is toxic, so keep it away from your furry friends. There are numerous ways to showcase this Anthurium hookeri in your home or garden. Consider placing it in a well lit room or creating a stunning centerpiece with its vibrant flowers. If you have a big tree in your lawn with a lot of low branches, mounting them on the tree branches is also an excellent option to mimic its natural habitat. The hookeri is undeniably a captivating plant with its impressive leaves and relatively easy care requirements. Whether you are a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting your green journey, adding an Anthurium hookeri to your collection will undoubtedly elevate the beauty of your indoor or outdoor space. If you are hungry for more plant-filled adventures and gardening tips, don't forget to check out through my other videos. That's it for today. If you enjoyed learning about the Anthurium hookeri, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting plant-related content. Don't forget to leave any questions, comment or feedback down below. Until next time, good luck, happy gardening.